Hey guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to start off by saying I've been playing around a little bit with my new phones and it just decided to start thunderstorming when I wanted to record, so that's why everything looks a little funny, but I'm playing around with it, trying to get used to it, so please bear with me. I already have my full face of foundation completed, so I'm going to go right in with the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm using my NYX Wanderlust palette in Copenhagen. And the first color that I'm using is a light brown to serve as my transition shade. This next color I'm using is a darker brown, and I'm putting that in my crease to build up the darkness and depth. I'm taking that same dark brown and a small packing brush, and I am putting that brown on my lower lash line. Then I'm using a fluffy brush, which happens to be on the other side of this brush that I have, and I am just blending it out a little bit. Next, I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette from his summer collection, and I'm using the shade Kumquat. And using a fluffy blending brush, I'm putting this over top of the brown that I just laid down to give it a bit more of an orangey feel to it. And I'm also putting a little bit of this on my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the shade Stroke, and I'm putting that more in the crease because this color is another bit more of an orangey one, so I'm using that to continue with this slight orangey bronzy look, and so I can also darken up my crease even more. Now I'm using this yellow shade called Quench, and I am putting that on my lid. I probably could have laid some concealer down first, but this color is very pigmented, and as you can see, it pops right away, so yes, in the end, it doesn't really matter too much. I'm also using a thin packing brush to blend that into the brown that I have on my lower lash line. Here I'm using some of the leftover browns colors that are on this fluffy brush, and I'm just blending it together with the yellow a little bit better. Now I'm using the shade Parched, which is very light and natural, and I'm putting this under my brow bone to give a little bit of color, but to also help blend out the browns that I have laid down. Now I'm using these two sparkly metallic-y colors called Filthy Rich and Lick, and I'm using my finger to put a little bit of this on top of the yellow on my eyelid. Now I'm done with eyeshadow, so I'm moving on to eyeliner, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Megalast eyeliner stick in 690A Blackest Black, and I'm going to be lining my top and bottom waterlines with. For false lashes, I'm using my go-to Kiss Demi Whispie lash with some Kiss eyelash adhesive. For mascara, I'm using The Falsies by Maybelline. I'm putting this on my upper and lower lashes. And since I didn't curl my upper lashes, I am really relying on this to help blend all of my lashes together in with the false ones. Since I'm also going for a more dark, bold, and dramatic look, it doesn't really matter too much if my mascara gets a little thick and dark, especially on my top lashes, because that's the look that I'm going for. For liquid liner, I'm using my Wet n Wild Megaliner in black, and I'm putting this on my top lash line to create a wing and to also help cover up the lash band from my false lashes. Moving on to lipstick. For whatever reason, the brand that this is just escaping my mind. However, the color is 905 Brazen Berry, and it's just a really nice purple color. So I'm putting that all over my lips. Next, I'm using this blue looking metallic lip gloss type thing. I'm not really sure what exactly it is. It is by Lime Crime, and I actually got this off of Wish. So I'm not positive what the actual name for it is. I have to look on the tube and see if I find anything. But putting this over the purple makes just this really beautiful purpley bluish iridescent look, and I am absolutely in love with it. And that's it for today's tutorial. All the products that I used will be listed in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite part was. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!